Hello friends, I'm Ehsan here from eBangalore Property. I hope you are staying safe at home. Today I'm going to show you this independent house built on BDA site measuring 21 by 31. Full teakwood doors and windows, granite flooring. And this is the plan of the ground floor which you saw in the beginning of the video. Ground floor has a car portico and two shops, 9 by 19 and 9 by 10. It is built on a corner BDA plot, auction site. North and west side, both side roads are there. Fully developed residential locality. Now coming to the first floor onwards, duplex, actually triplex 4 BHK house with 4 bathrooms. This is hall and puja room. Teakwood door. It's a newly built house, still final finishing work is yet to be done. So you can see there is a glass missing which will be fixed, and final painting, bathroom fittings, polishing work, everything will be done before handover. Even the living room has complete wall paneling, veneer wall paneling done to give a rich luxury look. So this is a large living room, 20 feet long and 13 feet wide. 21 by 31 square feet is the land area, about more than 650 square feet. Premium quality interior work and POP false ceiling with LED lighting. Northwest corner site, 100% planned as per Vastu. So from the living room, this is kitchen in the southeast corner. You would have seen many 20 by 30 houses on our channel, but this is comparatively much spacious and much better designing. Because of that additional 50 square feet, you get a bigger kitchen, bigger hall and bigger room sizes compared to a 20-30 house. So this is a fully loaded kitchen with stainless steel baskets, storage shelf, granite platform and granite sink. Additional there is a attached utility also. This is a very detailed video, so slowly I am going to show you each and every corner of the house. Between the kitchen and hall, this is the partition, storage shelf, storage partition. Above loft, fully covered, U-shape loft is there, and this is utility area. Secured with safety iron grill. All windows are all 100% teakwood. Doors also teakwood, and shutters, all the external shutters are solid teak. Internal board with veneer laminates. So this is the bedroom on this first floor. This is a smaller room. Other 3 rooms are really big. This room is about 9 by 11. These are the standard wardrobes. Inside, outside laminated. Drawers, locks and dressing mirror. Behind the dressing also there is storage. These are all digital veneer laminates. Sorry, Sunmica laminates, not the veneer one. For the doors, these are veneer laminates. This is common bathroom on this floor. It will have all the fittings: toilet, shower, hand wash, sink. Now we will go to the second floor. This is the central staircase with stainless steel railing. As it is a corner house, very good natural ventilation is there. Every room is facing towards the road. Both side wide tar road is there on north and western side. This is the master bedroom in the southwest corner. This is a really long room measuring 10.5 by 19 feet. Wall-to-wall TV unit, concealed wardrobes, in the southwest corner, and cot is also coming with the house, complimentary cot. This cot is movable, and attached to the bedroom this is a balcony, roadside facing, and this door is a solid teakwood door. As I mentioned, all the external doors are all solid teakwood doors, hardwood. Long balcony with iron railing. Again, rooms also have POP false ceiling. So this is the TV unit, attached bathroom, and bathrooms will have all the fittings before handover, like toilet, shower, hand wash, sink. There is a ventilator duct is also there. Again, wardrobes are also there in the bedroom, and this is the third bedroom in the northwest corner. This is the corner room, front facing, full wardrobes. Handles will be fixed for the wardrobes. POP false ceiling with LED lighting. Two side windows with good ventilation. Attached bathroom and attached balcony also. The plot is, as I mentioned before, 650 square feet, and overall 2400 square feet of super built up area is there. And the property has its own borewell. Bescom connections have been taken. For two shops separate 2 meters are there, and for the house separate meter is there. So this is the bathroom, and Kaveri water supply is there already. Connection also available. It needs to be taken. It is not yet taken. Now we will go to the third floor. Only for these windows outside, as part of the elevation, he has given aluminium sliding windows. About 3 windows are there like that. Rest of all the windows are all teakwood windows. Now we are on the third floor. This is the fourth bathroom, common bathroom, and this is the fourth bedroom without attached bathroom. This is same as master bedroom, 10.5 by 19 feet with attached balcony. This is the fourth room, same as the master bedroom. 1/3 of this floor is having open terrace area with Mangalore tiles on the roof above. So this is a very good option for single family house, actually single family living. 2 shops below, which I have shown in the plan, can be rented out for a small grocery store, vegetable store, boutique, small business, because it's a proper residential locality. It's not a main commercial area. Very calm and residential area. Hundreds of families are living around. For own use, it is a very good option. Small income also you can expect from the shops. Below in the description I have mentioned all the details, expected rent and other information. Thank you for watching this video, and do subscribe our channel for latest properties.